In this video, we are going to show you how to log into Elfsight. Now, when you go to elfsight.com for the first time after logging out, you are going to see an option for logging in on the upper right-hand corner. So you want to click on Login. It's going to bring you to the login page over here, where you can actually just choose between continuing using your Google account, which is most people use, continue with your Facebook if you have Facebook, or continue with your email, which is practically just the manual way of doing so, which is, from in time immemorial, right? So I'm gonna do the continue with Google because we are using our Google account. So click continue with Google. This pop-up will appear, and just choose the Gmail that you are going to use. So we're going to choose this one because that's what we use. There we go. And then now we are logged in, and we are in our dashboard in our Elfsight account. So that is how you log in. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.